I know I've got these terrible shoes on again that you don't like, but I'll bring you a treat. I got some cashews and a grape. I'll hold the grape. We've been on the nest. Good morning, darling. How beautiful. What's the matter with your wing this morning? Is it just wet, is it? It's raining today. Oh, you gave a little bite of my hand. You alright, darling? You okay? Can you see that I've got something else in my other hand, are you? Do you want me to get it for you? Yeah. What's this? Oh, you love the grapes, don't you? You're welcome. I'll put the rest in the letterbox for you.